I am Yogesh from AIDS department. I am go present with the matrix addition CUDA with the unified memory. In this experiment, we implement matrix addition using CUDA unified memory, which simplifies memory management between the CPU and GPU. Two input matrix A and B are allocated using CUDA malloc manage, allowing both host and device to access the same memory space without explicit data transfer. The matrix are initial with random values on the host, and a reference result is computed using a CPU-based function to ensure correctness. A CUDA kernel submatrix CPU is then launched with a two-dimensional grid and block configuration. For each thread computes one element of the resonant matrix by adding corresponding elements from A and B. Unified memory automatically handles data migration between host and device, improving programming simplicity. Execution timing is measured for both CPU and GPU computation to compare performance. Finally, the GPU result is validated against the CPU result to ensure accuracy. This experiment demonstrates how unified memory reduced complexity while still leveraging GPU parallelism for efficient matrix operation. Thank you.